After seeing the red thingies, we continued our way westwards to Ankarana, where we stayed for our last 2 nights on the edge of the national park. Kapok is harvested for its fibre. When we arrived at Ankarana, we saw Madagascar button quails and a Madagascar hoopoe. The leaves of Mimosa pudica collapse temporarily when touched. The hotel gardens had an open aspect with some attractive plants and birds. By moonlight, I tracked down a Madagascar nightjar in the middle of the night by following its call. Ankarana is a forested limestone region which has been eroded to give strange grey rock formations called thingies, as well as deep narrow gorges which have rivers and streams in the rainy season, sinkholes and caves. There are also some ancient black volcanic rocks. Pachypodia are a group of strange plants similar to baobabs, which are all characterized by storing water in their stems or trunks to cope with arid conditions. You will see that this chameleon has turned darker because it knows it's being watched. And so we started the long journey home, 24 hours of travelling, first by car from Ankarana to Ankipi, a boat to Helville on the island of Nosy Be, a flight from Nosy Be to Antananarivo, and then 2 flights to Paris and finally on to Heathrow. The Madagascar periwinkle, which now grows all over the world, is a very important medicinal plant. Just before we reached Ankipi, we visited a small farm growing cocoa, vanilla and other spices. Cocoa pods grow on the trunks. Vanilla, for which Madagascar is renowned, is an orchid. Vanilla is so expensive because it requires months of skilled work to produce each pod. Every vanilla flower is hand-pollinated. Ripe pods are picked and then individually processed over many weeks. Houses are built on the tidal mangrove mud swamps. We left Nosy Be as the sun was setting, so these were our last glimpses of Madagascar. At midnight we left Antananarivo to fly home.